Morning, students. Welcome to today's session. We will be revising the topic teamwork. Hope you have practiced and you are able to recite the poem. Now let's revise. Combined effort of a group. Give one word answer for it. Teamwork. Yes. Next, a wooden or iron thing trundled along by a child. Hoop. Yes. Next one, move onward. Pass. Race between teams of which each person does a part of the distance. Can you guess? Yes, relay race. Next one, short tube or stick carried in a relay race. Baton. Now I have some questions for you. The first one, if nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, what will happen? Yes, if nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't shoot the basketball through the hoop, isn't it? In a relay race, if no one passes the baton, what will happen? In a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then the relay race can't go on. Now, in the previous class, we have learned the benefits of playing as a team, isn't it? Now, your school too. You need a principal, a HM, teachers, librarian, gardener, and all others to help in the efficient working of the school, isn't it? Now, if you want to make a film, you need a producer, you need a director, you need a scriptwriter, you need a cameraman, you need actors, and all of them together they work as a team, isn't it? Now let's read. To play cricket, we need batsmen, bowlers, fielders, coaches. To make film, we need director, actors, cameraman, producer, etc. To run a good school, we need principal, headmasters or headmistress, teachers, office staff, librarian, etc. To run a restaurant, we need manager, a chef, a cook, waiter, cleaners. Previous poem 2, we have learnt about contractions, isn't it? A contraction is a word made by shortening or combining two words. Words like can't, can plus not, don't, do plus not, and I plus have are all contractions. People use contractions in both speaking and writing also. Contracted forms. We have, we have. You have, you have. There is, there's. We are, we are. They are, they are. We will. Cannot, can't. Some common contractions in English aren't, are not, can't, cannot, didn't, did not, don't, do not, he'll, he will, I'm, I am, I've, I have, isn't, is not, let's, let us, she'll, she will, that's, that is, there's, there is, Where we are. What's what is. You'll you will. Now you have learnt about opposites, isn't it? In the previous classes, you are familiar with some opposites. Now some new ones are here. You could go through it. Opposite of joy. Can you tell me? Yes, sorrow. Nobody, everybody. Pass, withhold or fail. Up, down. Big, small. Now you could write all these in your classwork notebook. You could write the date and the heading, and you could write the contracted forms and the opposites. Now we are coming to the end of the session. I have a thought for you. Unity is strength. Do you agree? When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved, isn't it? So I repeat, unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. Thank you. Have a nice day.